Guys, this is a Power BI class and Power BI demo class. There are two demo classes usually we provide before the live classes. So yesterday I conducted one demo and today second demo. In yesterday's demo, I given who we are. Simply know your institute and know your component and environment. This is what I covered yesterday. And today I'm going to cover the com, component, subcomponents, concepts, and one case study practice. This is today's agenda. In today's session, I'll give a recap of yesterday's session for 10 minutes, followed by 50 minutes practice. Now I'm going to yesterday's part for 10 minutes. Kindly focus. Yesterday, first I explained about our institute. Thank you. More than 5-6 people called me yesterday and today morning. Thank you so much. I hope you understood how to try in the market and what kind of responsibilities required in the market. Now, in introduction, know your institute. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And the call time is 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm a senior lead consultant, and the training type is basics to advanced, very detailed training. And 50 to 60 hours duration. Daily 1 hour is the training. And my 1 hour equal to for you to practice 2 to 3 hours. Monday to Friday, compulsory classes. And Saturday based on your interest. But Monday to Friday, professionally we take the classes. Online, offline, both available. And for the practical assistance, you need some contact numbers who will help you online. I will provide you once you join the course. So you will not face any issues during the practical part. And daily live class videos I will share with 2 years of access. And communication, WhatsApp, email, call, message, all types of communication is very effective. We already shared the content in the WhatsApp, demo video in the WhatsApp, email also we shared. Theory material, practical material, both we will share. And we'll provide you more frequent last questions and also conduct mock interviews. So this will help you to try for the actual interviews. And we tied up with some companies, we can arrange main interviews if you complete mock interviews. Even my neighbor trainer companies also, we arrange interviews. And just knowing Power BI is not at all helpful for you. So we will give you awareness on Microsoft Fabric, Azure Data Factory, Power Apps, etc. for 4 hours. And SQL sessions, I will cover for 4 hours. Most of the companies store data in databases. To bring data from the databases, SQL language is required. So SQL I cover for 4 hours. How to use effectively SQL in Power BI and what is the relation and how do we embed such kind of things I will cover. But it does not mean that is sufficient. You learn whole course wherever you want to learn, but there are 9 topics you prioritize it. So mandatory for learning Power BI and SQL Server in case you want to enter into IT. Remember, IT resources must have Power BI and SQL Server knowledge. Both we offer. But in this course, SQL scope is only 4 hours. I don't want to spoil the flush of Power BI. In detail, Power BI I'll give you 2 near real-time projects with multiple case studies. These projects you can use, you can keep in a resume. You can explain interview, complex projects only, and multiple case studies, which will give you good knowledge, good awareness. At the end of the course, you receive course completion certificate. And for your better practice, Power BI cloud credentials I'll give you for 2 years. So this I explained around 20 minutes yesterday. I showed my WhatsApp, I showed the web, I showed the channels and multiple things. So I'm not showing today. So please watch yesterday video to understand in detail. And training object to maximum subject coverage, real-time working perspective, interview suitable. And in case you are preparing Microsoft examination, Power BI examination, PL 300, 70 to 80% you can complete. In a worst situation, you can generate your own reports. Any graduate is eligible to learn Power BI. Any graduate, BA, BCom, no matter. And low code component it is. With less code, you can do it. And prerequisite, Excel, no prerequisite strictly speaking, but Excel SQL knowledge advantage to you. But strictly speaking, no prerequisite. Anybody can learn. Any graduate can learn. So we are not offering customized sessions now. Some people asking us, but we offer fast track one-on-one weekend sessions. Contact on this number. But if you need effective and in detail subject, only normal track. And as a trainer, I take only normal track. I don't take these tracks. There are separate people, they will take the sessions. 25 to 30 hours. Sir, I want to finish your classes in 1 month. Possible. Attend my 2 batches parallelly, my batches. Sir, can I attend? Yeah, you can attend. Or join one batch. Take previous batch videos. In that way, you can finish in 1 month. So who are all interested about my classes? So they are doing this process only to complete. But if you want to survive properly, you want to work in multiple projects in the company, compulsory take 60 days duration. How much you spend, that much you learn. So happily you can work. So this is what I covered last class. And the current batch is 7 to 8 p.m. Monday onwards, 7 to 8 p.m. So these are all the batches currently I'm handling. I'm not handling these two, but this, and this, these are the batches running with a good strength. So firstly, I explained yesterday, can AI replace Power BI? AI can't replace Power BI, but AI applications, AI support we can take in Power BI to enhance its performance, to do some operations automatically. And what is the position of Power BI in the current market? If I learn Power BI, will it sustain for some time? Yes. Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BI for the last 17 years. So no need to think about it. Absolutely, you will get a good career ahead. Yeah. After that, I explained Power BI, what it is, definition. And whose product is Power BI? It's a Microsoft product. This is the first one to remember. In which year announced? June 2013. And do we have versions in Power BI? No, we don't have. We have monthly updates. Every month you will see an update. So what you will find in the update? You may find the previous versions deprecation, new features, upcoming features. Like this, you will find in the new update level. And then I explained Power BI is a reporting tool, BA tool, data analytical tool, visualization tool with respect to general people. But technically, if you want to speak simple definition, powering BI, adding more power to existing BI. Simply, it will take data as an input, output as a report, dashboard, scorecard. Second definition, it's a versatile application and which is suitable for visualization in multiple areas. Report development area, business intelligence area, data analysis area, data science area, real-time analytics, many areas it provided support. That's why versatile. These two I explained very clearly yesterday. And today our agenda is this. Even yesterday I told you that we'll discuss this. It's a low-code application, self-service application, an on-premises and cloud application, reports, dashboards, scorecards, generative application. Report level paginated, non-paginated, analytical, real-time intelligence, multiple types it will support. So this one I will prove it today. Please focus. And yesterday, what is data, what is engineering, what is analytics, what are the areas Power BI we use? These are all I covered yesterday. So I'm not going to this. Please go to yesterday's video. I will prove and I will explain this definition practically. It's a low code application. How come? In the case study, I will show you self-service application. End to end, you can do it very easily and generate a report. On-premises and cloud. Yeah, what is cloud? What is on-premise? That I will show you. And also, how do we generate a report? So I will show you today non-page generated report development, this one. But there are multiple types. These all types we can create. And also dashboard scorecards. If someone asks you, tell me what is Power BI, tell me the strong definition, you can explain this. Right. Any questions till this part from anyone online? Sir, do you have any questions? Able to understand what I'm saying here? Akshita, Praveen, Joshi, Kishore, Mantesh, Mahesh, Meghana, Shashida. Questions, please. Right. We'll start second demo. Demo 2. So this is the agenda for today. First, Power BI reports, Power BI components, architecture, case study, software installation and practice. This end to end. And the session will run till 8:15 p.m. Stay tuned. You will see an end to end practical. I'm not telling it's a very complex practical, simple practical. And from this, you need to understand how I'm explaining, what is the way I'm following. Will you be able to follow my classes or not? Everything. If you watch the video once after the session, you will come to know the clarity. You may not be able to understand and instantly get all the things, but definitely after completing the session, if you open once, you will come to know. My sessions are easy, understandable, and you will find depth also. Right. First one, Power BI reports. Take IT level reports, IT types of reports. First one, page related report. This is a legacy, tradition, regular reporting. Data divided into multiple pages, and each page is printable. Look at this data. This is paginated in the down. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, some 10 records available or 10 rows available. First page. If you click next, then it will go to next page. If you click next, it will go to next page. This is called paginated report. Multiple records in a page and multiple pages. Second, non-paginated report. You can say advanced report. See, this is a visual, 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 visual. This is a non-paginated report. You cannot divide into multiple pages. And Power BI, since beginning, that is 2013 onwards, we are having only this advanced one. But companies ask Microsoft, we need this basic reporting also, paginated reporting. So in 2017, this concept added. Since the inception of Power BI, we were having only non-paginated report like this. But people asked Microsoft about the requirement, so they added in 2017. So these are the two major types of reporting in IT. Even Power BI level, these are the two. And nowadays, 80% companies asking the candidate should have page-related reporting. 80%. If you look at the job descriptions in Naukri, LinkedIn, this page-related reporting you will see. Next. Any questions on this? Right. Now, Power BI components. 10 components available and 4 concepts. First one, Power BI desktop. This is a component for advanced reporting and report development only. And it uses concepts like Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map, Concept 1, Concept 2, Concept 3, Concept 4. These 4 concepts for report development. Once the report development completed, we will move to Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com. It is a URL, web URL, and you can say cloud URL. So we'll store and we'll manage it. From here, the customers will get the report, they will browse, they will access, take decisions. The vice president, subject matter experts, manager, executive, everyone. So 95% people follow this approach. Power BI desktop for report development and Power BI service for storing and managing, 95%. This is the URL. However, Google Drive will connect with drive.google.com. This is Google Drive connection. On Netflix, you will connect netflix.in in India. The same way this one. And 5% companies going for on-premises. On-premises means they will install in their local company, a local server. They will install, they will configure, and they will use. That is called report server. So this is a component, report server desktop for advanced reporting and report server for on-premises storage and managing. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept, same concepts. So this is pay as you go type. Pay as you go. You pay and use it. And this is not like that. Yearly payment only. So which one is powerful? Definitely this is powerful. Powerful. Cloud is always powerful. But these are the 4 components. And report builder. These 2 for advanced reporting. But you want to create page united reporting, then go to report builder. Power BI report builder, page united reports. Sir, you said Power BI reporting is really good. Can I use in my Facebook level, my Twitter level, my blog level, my website level? Possible by using Power BI embedding topic. This topic will help you to keep your reports in other area, social media, web, blog, etc. And Power BI developer. And this is to create your own visuals. Developer to create own visuals. Next, gateway. Provide communication between on-premises to cloud. What do you mean by this? So I have Hyderabad data. I want to load to USA cloud. Hyderabad data, I want to load to USA cloud. In between, we require a component called gateway. So gateway is interface between this to this. Hyderabad data in my machine to USA cloud. Next, Power BI mobile. You can access, you can view, you can interact your business data on the mobile. That is called Power BI mobile. A wonderful facility. Not all the reporting tools having this facility. Power BI has this. Next, Copilot, the last component recently given. It is an AI feature. First one, DAX is a language. This language query it will write. It will write the DAX query. It will explain DAX query. It will write, it will explain. And also visuals, insights you want to generate. Yes, you can generate by using this AI assistant called Copilot in Power BI. Not normal Copilot, Power BI Copilot. Power BI assistant. So these are the 10 components available. Advanced reporting, advanced reporting, cloud storage, on-premises storage, 95%, 5%. This is companies using mandatorily and embedding to create your own visuals. Existing visuals, you don't like it. And my local data, I want to move to cloud, gateway. And Power BI mobile to access, view, interact, business data on the mobile. And AI assistant. Questions, please? If anyone having questions, kindly ask.
Yeah, see here on-premises component in the sense, so Power BI desktop we are going to install on any Azure or uh, GCP like that.
No, Power BI we install on SQL Server storage.
I mean, here the
Windows,
first thing also.
Windows. On-premises means on Windows Windows Server. On SQL Server, we'll install it.
Server SQL. Um,
Shashidhar, so I'm coming to your end. So
yeah.
this software will download, install in our Windows system only. So you
Okay.
can say on-premise this one, on-premise development component. This component also will download and install in our Windows system only. This is also on-premise.
Okay.
And this is a software will download, install in our Windows system only. However, these two install the same way.
Okay.
Not only installation will configure it. This is on-premise. Whereas in this area, we don't install it. We'll open one browser like Chrome or IE Internet Explorer. We type this URL and continue the operations. The backend process will happen in the previously installed Azure cloud level. Got clarity?
Yeah.
Good. Next, before I go for practical, look at this end-to-end picture very clearly. So you have data. So we are in the architecture part. So far, Power BI report, Power BI components completed, now architecture. Data, file, database, data warehouse, cube, Synapse, Databricks, Snowflake, Lakehouse, different types of data available in the market, and these are the frequently used one. I'm going to cover most of them. And this data, Power BI desktop will take advanced reporting component. This is a concept first, it will pass and bring it, transform it, transform it. Any type of data, it will bring and transform, like appending, merging, pivoting, unpivoting, concatenating, null handling, and data cleaning. All these operations come under transformation operations. It will do it. In case these are not sufficient, it uses a language called mashup language. This language it will use and perform operations. So once it is done, it will move to next area, store it, and apply relationship between tables. When multiple tables available, the relationships are applied here. For storage, we have modes like import mode, direct query mode, mixed mode, connect live mode, dual query mode. Like this, multiple modes available. We use one of the mode compulsory. One of the mode compulsory. Relationships one to one, one to many to many. These kind of relationship between tables apply, and we create schemas like star schema, snowflake schema, galaxy schema. These schemas, and also in this area we prepare calculations and also apply security. So these are all the things we perform in the Power Pivot and model level. Second, next concept. So after this concept, we will perform this concept. And during these calculations and relationships, we can take the help of a language called DAX language. Which language? DAX language. Data analysis expression language. Data analysis expression. Some lazy people say it is a calculation language. It's not only meant for calculations, even wonderful modeling it performs. Technical strong people aware of it. Modeling also it does, beside calculations. So once it is completed, we'll move to visualization part, that is Power BI part, Microsoft Visual, and other visuals we use it and generate a report. And this manufactured report, we will move to either cloud, which is app.powerbi.com, and the backend is Azure only. We'll move to cloud and share to customer, or else which you installed manually. This one we install manually, and here we move it, and from here we'll share with the customers. Either this or this. 95% people prefer cloud. 5% people going for on-premise. This one. But desktop remains same. So desktop uses these concepts and move it. Power query concept, extract transform operations. Power pivot and model concept, storage and relationship. Power view and map concept, visualization topic. Everyone fine? Great. Any questions on this architecture part? Once you move to customer, then only they use a laptop, desktop, tab, all this. And I will show you this practically, don't worry. And coming to today's case study. So I have my Vinay Tech House data, institute data. So my business information, you know very well. Students inquire first. And then demo they attend. They say confirmation. And they pay for it. They attend classes. And course completion. This is a complete cycle. Any institution, the same cycle. That data only I'm going to explain. And from my data, yearly analysis, I want to do one area. Like in this year, how many courses having good business, how many courses having poor business, which location has highest business, which location has the lowest business, such kind of. And locations analysis, location-wise courses and business, location-wise course mode and business, something like this. So two different types of analysis required, and also communication required between them. So when I click in here, the location has to show year and location data, year and location data. So this is my case study. From the business data, yearly analysis separately required, location analysis separately required. But when I click in here, respect to year and location data, it has to show. Shall I go? See, this is the picture I'm going to show you. I have one comma separate value file. Here, payments data available. And I have Excel sheet here, students data, inquiry stage data, date data, location data available here. These two sheets data, you bring it to Power BI. Generate a report like this. So yearly analysis, yearly information, locations analysis, location information. Finally, year to location jump it and show respect to year and location data. And this is called drill through. What do you call it? Drill through. So drill through from year to location. Drill through from year to location. Then what it does, Power BI desktop. So this data, it will take it, extract, transform it if it is not in a proper shape, model it, apply relationships, secure it to protect the data. Visuals apply like this. These are the visuals. Finally, a business intelligence data created. This is business intelligence data. And you move to cloud, Power BI service, and share with the customers. And they will analyze in the web level, mobile level, tab level. This is end-to-end case study. So your data, this desktop will take, this is a 5-step process. And this is always required. This is always required. These two situational, these three situational. Fine. Any questions? Yeah. So don't bother about the complexity. This is an end-to-end process. In a simple way, I'm going to explain to show the beauty of Power BI. And if you want to see the complex examples, just go to our YouTube channel. You will see complex examples and project explanation, multiple things. Fine, sir. Now, where is the data? This is the payments data. Before that, business details data I'm showing. Excel sheet, first table inquiry stages. This is first sheet. Second sheet, third sheet, fourth sheet, fifth sheet. And inquiry stage level, this information is available. Stage 1 inquiry, stage 2 demo, confirmation, payment, joining, formality completed. Student table level, this information is available. Student ID, name, email, mobile number, reference address. Student data. Date table level, this information is available. Course table level, this information is available. Courses, what are the courses we are running? And location table level, locations the business is running available. So inquiry stages, students enroll, dates, courses we run, locations we operate. First sheet. Second one, we have payments table. So who is a student, what is the course, and which mode he has taken, and which stage he joined, which location joined, what is the institute joined, who is the user entered, inquiry demo date, join date, course end date, and what is the course fee, what is the paid fee, what is the discount amount, what is the tax amount. And this is the total course fee. This is the total paid fee. And this is the amount, and this is the tax amount. So the course fee is 11,000 and paid fee also 11,000. No discount for this pie, but tax amount is 330. Course sum is 9,000, 8,500 paid, 500 is a discount, 255 is a tax amount. So these are called measures. What do you call it? Measures are business values. We use this for our operations. Clear, everyone? Online, offline people? Great. Now I will continue. So once this is ready, then what is the pending? This software. Two ways to download. First one, Google it. Very routine way. Power BI. Even you can take any AI assistant help. Chatbot, ChatGPT, Copilot, Clad, any AI help, no problem. Power BI desktop download. So the first link open, download Microsoft Power BI desktop. And Microsoft Power BI desktop is built for the analyst and some information is given. Always read it before downloading. And then go through the details. What is the version? When was it given? Recently, June 10th. And what is the size of it? 644.7 MB. And this is the actual file name. And the desktop, Power BI desktop, basically to get the data, to establish relationships, create reports, save reports, upload or publish reports. These operations. And coming to system requirements, Windows 10 and 11, Server 16 and 18. So these are the Windows machine, your standalone machine or client machine. These are Windows server machines in the company. 64-bit machine supported. OS and machine. Installation instructions. Simply click on the exe, install it. Simple, right? The desktop software downloading is very simple. No need to ask anyone. You just Google it, click download. After download, install it. First way. The first way I will show you. I already downloaded. I'm not downloading and waste your time. So this is the software I downloaded. It looks like this. Just go here, click next, next, finish. That's it. But two prompts it will ask you. First one, the interface language. Which language you want to see? Hindi language, English language, Japanese language. Second one, C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? And third one, I accept license terms and conditions. So the language of the interface, the drive to be installed, and accepting license terms and conditions. That's it. The software will be installed, and you can see an icon here. This is Power BI desktop icon. So this is the icon, guys. First way. Second way is there. Go to Power BI Cloud. Guys, app.powerbi.com. I told you multiple times. This is your Power BI Cloud. You want to connect, you require an account. Click on it. It's already signed in. I'll sign out. This is Power BI account, sorry, cloud. I will connect with an account. And in this area, there is something called download, Power BI desktop. So go to this cloud with an account, download Power BI desktop. And this is recommended in the real time. Why? What are the reasons? I will tell you in the class, regular class. Monday, I will tell you why it is recommended. But there are two ways to install. And for the time being, for your classroom practice purpose, you go with normal in software installation. Guys, I'm taking Saturday the demo because you will get Sunday time to practice the demo class. So what are the demo I'm doing it? So you also practice tomorrow, enjoy it, and continue from Monday. Right. The software is ready. Power BI desktop. I googled it, downloaded it, installed it, and that's the software. So I clicked it now, it is opening. So this is interface and language is English. In case you're not comfortable with English language and you want to change it to Hindi, possible. Just go to options and settings here and do it. Click options and settings, options. Here there is something called regional settings, language, Hindi language. Click OK. Okay. Close. Now I will open again. Which language it is? Hindi language. And you want to revert back the changes. Just go to Vikalpa settings, same position. Vikalp. Vikalp is options. Now go to Kshetriya setting. Hindi to change to Windows language. ठीक है. Close it. Open the application again. Now it will show you English language. Okay. How to change the interface language, I clearly explained. And what do you call this page, sir? This page is called Get Started page. Or some people say Quick Startup page. Nothing but this is a home. You can create a blank report and you can click blank report to create from scratch. Or you can create a report with Excel. You can create a report with OneLake data, create a report with SQL Server, like this, multiple sources. Or you can open a report. And already I signed in, and you want to sign out, go to the sign out. And I just showed how options is helpful. And this about indicate the desktop version. desktop version, this and user connected, time connected, this kind of information will give you. So this page is called get started page or quick startup page. So I'll explain little more in tomorrow's session, that is Monday session. For the time being, home and blank report I will click. Don't feel confused with the navigations. It is new but not complex. Once you open the video or if single report you practice, you'll understand very, very easily everything. Don't feel complex, guys. Non-IT people especially. See, and this is the main interface. Some people say self-service interface. Everything we can do. So first one, data, extraction. This is the first topic this tool will do. Second topic, transform. Shaping. Third one, model. Relationships applying. And fourth one, security. Fifth one, visuals. Last one, business intelligence data. So go to one. One. This is the one area. Two. This is the two area. Three. This is the three area. This is fourth area. And this interface is fifth area, this canvas. So these are called process concepts. So I'm explaining only process concepts. And here, this is compulsory, process concept level, visualization compulsory. These three situational. If the situation demanding, you go. No need to shape unnecessarily. No need to establish relationship unnecessarily. If required, you go. So only process concepts I will explain today. But on Monday, I'll explain what is this? What is this area? What do you call this? What do you call this? What do you call this? Around 40 minutes discussion on Monday. 40 minutes tool explanation on Monday. Today, just focusing on process concepts. Is this fine? Good. Right now we have data and what to do? Each report follow the same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go to this, click on get data, Excel workbook. Where is it? Anyway, you understood. I'm clearing off so that you can see better. See, this is Excel. Click open. So get data, Excel workbook. I browsed it. Now it will show you the sheets. Select it. Course, date, location, student, inquiry. These only required. These and these two not required. The 5 tables are selected. Okay. The session stops at 8:15 p.m. Remember that. Kindly stay tuned. Right. So I got the data, guys. I did not do anything. Just I got, click on it, Excel. Similarly, file you want to bring it. SCSV file is there. So click on this. Sit in here. Fact table. Click open. So this is a fact table, a payments data. Load it. See, automatically I did load only. Automatically this data pane, this is called pane. Data pane open, the tables you are able to see. So data area. But this data you want to verify whether right or wrong goes opposite to that. There's a table view. See course table, date table. You just click on it. One time practice. Looking good. Location table, almost looking good, but the headings are not correct. So this is supposed to be the first row. Location ID, location name supposed to be here. So shape is required. Student table, almost looking good. Inquiry stage table, again it is also. Flip to next row. So this you need to take as a first row. Payments table, looking good. So we need to do some transformations on this because not good. Two table, location table, inquiry stage table. And then you go to report view. This is called report view. Transform data. Transform data, second step. Automatically it will open a window, transform window. See, when you click on it, it will open this window, transformation window. Some people say power query window. For your query, power is added. Transformation window, power query window, different names. And this is the transformation area. If you right click here, you will see many transformations. If you right click here, you will see many transformations. In case you don't feel comfortable with these transformations, you can use a language called mashup language and you can create it. Okay, now I will make it very simple. Course table you click, looking good, no need to do any changes. Date table, looking good, no need to do any changes. Location table, yeah, not good. This you need to take as heading. So click on this corner, use first row as header. This option. Sir, how do you know, sir? I already practiced, so I know. This is one. And one more, I want to split this data. See this. Address into two parts. One is flat number. Second one address. Two parts. How do you do it? Very simple. Right click, split column by separator, space, leftmost. Okay. Not space, comma. Right click, split column. Once again, I'm doing it. Right click, split column by separator, delimiter. Delimiter is separator with comma, comma, and only leftmost. Okay. And you want to change the title. Very simple in Power BI. Splitting is simple, taking title is simple. Even you click on this right here, flat number. Just double click on this address. So whatever you want to take it. Flat number also, NO, normal O. So go to student table, ready. Stage table. The first row is not good, so click on this corner, use first row as table. This is the fact table. Finally, go to home, close and apply. Apply for saving the changes, close for closing. Saving the changes and closing. So the transformation completed and I'm closing the window. I successfully closed. And it is a good practice. Again, observe the data. Go to table view, especially the location table. Now looking good and flat number address is coming. Stays table, yeah, looking good. These two were having doubt earlier and those two shaped properly now. Success. So later, so once the second part, transformation part completed, anyway, multiple tables available, you may use these tables on these visuals. While using these tables on the visual, there should be some relationship. So go to modeling area, third area. So first area, second area, third area. In the modeling area, you need to have knowledge, guys, which table we need to come to which table. For the time being, I know one table is a central table, payment table. Rest all tables connected to this table. Why? That is a later story. So course table connected to See, course table, course ID connected to fact payments table, course ID. This is what I expected, already connected, no problem. Just minimize it. Date table not connected. So I want to connect date table date with course end date. So click date, highlight and drag and drop course end date. Highlight, drag and drop. Sir, I don't know how to drag and drop. I'm new to IT. And then right click here, manage relationships. Under manage relationships, new relationship. First table, table, date. Two table, fact table, course end date. First table column, second table column. Click OK. Auto connected now. Click OK. Connected. Now minimize it here. Location table. Location ID connected. Minimize it. Student table already connected. So both the places student ID connected. So minimize it. Here you minimize. One more table is pending. Inquiry stage table. Stage. Minimize it. And how is it looking like? A star. Table surrounded by multiple tables. Looking like a star. So this is called as a star schema. What do you call it? Star schema. Fact table surrounded by dimensions looking like a star. So we call it a star schema, star relationship. So I brought data, I transformed it, I modeled it. Security supposed to be applied, but it takes some time. So I'm not explaining. I'll go for a visualization. This is a visualization. And in this visualization, two pages I will create, page one, page two. In the first page, I will take yearly analysis. Second page, I will take locations analysis. So here only yearly analysis information. I will go here. So there is a rule called visual data format. This is format. VDF rule will follow for every operation, every visual operation. So now I'm going to take one comparison, year-wise business comparison. So this is a stacked bar chart I'm taking. See guys, visual ready, this one. And this is the data area. I will minimize everything. This is the data area. We need to take it. Y-axis level. This is called Y-axis. So I took this first step. If you're new to this, I'm telling. Second step, I'll take this as second step. Third step, I will go to formation. This one, third step. So first one completed. Second one, Y-axis level, I will take year. X-axis level, I will take paid fee. How much money paid? And if you see this is a visual. You can go to focus mode or you can make it bigger, your wish. I'll go to focus mode. Focus mode means bigger view of the visual. Bigger view. Clearly saying 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23 business and in the range of 0 million to 5 million. And 2018 is the highest value, 18 sum of fee highest, and 23 is the lowest value, 6 lakhs 10,000. So 18 is the highest, this is the lowest, and remaining all close and middle level are between 3.3 million to 4 million is 2017 data. So it is a bar chart, the bar chart showing this kind of information. You're able to compare easily, isn't it? I did not write any logic. I did not write any code, just one visual, one data automatically year-wise and x-axis or column-wise is showing the data. Beautiful, right? And I'm taking one more visual, a pie chart. So now I will take this. I'll take this. And I'm not using this. Later I will use the formation. See, I will take a pie chart. Legend level I will take. Yeah. Here only value you are seeing, but percentage I want to see. Value level I want to show percentage. Paid fee. Year wise paid fee. If you make it bigger, you will come to know. See this, it is closely showing 19, 39 lakhs 43,500, 16.34 business, and 21, 16.46 business, and 18, 18% business, 23, just 2.53% business. It is showing value and it is showing percentage, and also clearly understood. These are all closed business, but this is little less and this is more or less smaller one. Here you can see 2023 is a gold color and this is the one, and 17 is a blue color, this one. So this is called composition, which visual year wise composition. Here value comparison happen, value composition happen, which year how much percentage. Like this we'll take the information, and one more I will take table visual. This is a table visual, and here columns I'm taking table level. First one year, second one, see, first one I took year here, but it is giving sum of year, wrong. So click on this arrow, sum to don't summarize. Yeah, if anywhere it is showing sum and you don't want, just click on it and do it. Now it's showing properly. Year wise, add data, fact table level, paid fee, course fee, tax amount. Paid fee, course fee, tax amount. You can make it bigger and see. And this is the total value. This is the total value, total value. Everyone okay? And I want to have a good filter here. Then take a visual called slicer. Don't worry about this. You just take this and take the fields. Now, I will give you a clear material also for the practice. You go for it, guys. Clear material I will give you. Today to practice it, a very clear material I will give you. See, everything available. What to do? You're not in this material. Two demo classes. Here, case study practice available. There you will see step by step, and I'll share it with you. Implement it today. So first step, second step, what to do, how to bring the data. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. How to model the data. Everything very clearly explained. You follow this. Right. Now I will continue to the example. I want a filter here. Just click on this filter, slicer, and mention here field. I want year, date table year. Ready. And I don't want like this. Then go to formation. Slicer setting. Format changing, guys. I don't want between. I want list way. So what I did, I moved to format first step. Take this. Second step, add year here. Third step, go to formation, change it. Let me click and show you. I'll click on it. It will show you here. First step, second step, third step, vertical list. Advantage of this slicer is if you select 23, 23 data, it will show. 21, 21 data. Press Control and select both. Both it is showing. This is the way a beautiful filtering you will see. I'm canceling everything, right? And Power BI not only has this kind of filtering, even you click on it, others are filtered. This is called cross filtering, cross highlighting. Even if you click on it, respective information it will show. So even a visual also you click, it will show respective information. Fine. Simple, right? So here comparisons happen, here value showing happen, percentage happen, filtering happening. Location space I go, guys. I'll take only two visuals. So this is a visual donut chart I'm taking. one donut chart. This is one legend level. I will take location ID, and value level I will take paid fee. Simple. And if you go to focus mode, I took this location ID, paid fee, showing here more value. Which one? Hyderabad. See, Hyderabad 48%. Next to Hyderabad, Mumbai 16%. Next to Mumbai, Chennai 13%. And this is the lowest business method 1.1%. So this is how it will show you. And also one more visual. One more visual. I'll take matrix visual. Click matrix. Row wise, what do you want to take? I want to take year. Row wise, this is year. Column wise, what do you want to take? Locations or states. Row, column. Value wise, what do you want to take? Payment, paid fee. So if you see this matrix, year, state, paid fee. Explore bigger and see year wise, state wise, paid fee values. So 17 AP, these 3 years not available. 20, 21, 22, 23 available total value. And 20 Tamil Nadu business, 20 Telangana business, and total business. This is called column grand total. This is called row grand total. Column grand, row grand. Like this information you want, you can take it. So 2 pages I created. Simple way. And this is talking about percentages with inner whole. And we use inner whole for different purposes. And this is some pivot visual. And my question is, last one in this area. When I click year here, this year, this year, this year, it has to go to locations and show respective year and location data. How is it possible? Here to here, I want to jump. What's my objective? Here to here, I want to jump. When I click year here, respective year and location data I want to show. This concept is called drill through concept. And this page is called drill through page. And this year is called drill through filter. So simple. Drill through page, drill through filter. So what to do? Just go to this locations one, click format. What do you call this? Format, locations page, format, page information. Here drill through. What to take? Drill through from year. Year is category. Once again, highlight this format, page type drill through from year as category. That means this page supporting drill through year filtering as a category. Only category. I'm closing it, guys. How it works, we'll see. Since you mentioned drill through, automatically a button will come here, back button. Which button? I did not take, system taken this. Right. I'll go to yearly analysis, right click on this, drill through, locations analysis. So that respect to year and data, it is showing 21 data showing. You want to go back, control enter to go back. Control enter. And if you go right click 20, drill through, locations anywhere, year. Now 20 data it is showing 2020 data, 20 locations information. You want to go back? Back. So this is the way multiple visuals will take. We provide communication between pages. So simple, isn't it? If you practice one time, you remember forever. I will save it. Last 3 minutes, save it. And I'm placing under 6 p.m. batch. Demo report on 04/07/26. This is the date I mentioned. And what is the extension? PBX, Power BI extension. So Word documents extend with .docx. Excel document extend with .xlsx. Power BI extend with .pbax. This is PBX. Let me close. Save. But we never share this with the customer. Last 2 minutes, please stay tuned. We never share this with the customer. Then we'll move to cloud. So where is the report? 6 batches, 6 p.m. This is the report. It's a single document. It's a single document. Today created. I want to share with the customers. Decide which way your company require, on-premises or cloud. I go for cloud now. How to go for cloud? I explained already. app.powerbi.com, you need to type it. And connect with an account. This account I will give you for practice for 2 years. Connected. Now go to working area. So only one working area available. I will take this. I will take a new folder. Demo report. Click create. So in this working area, cloud working area folder. In this folder, import report from computer, place the file. I don't think so. That was the one. From the computer, batches, 6 p.m. May. This is the report, demo report. So when you upload it, it will divide into 2 parts, 1 and 2. So I did import, but the report divided into 2 parts. This is the data area. This is the visuals area. Which area? Visuals. So you don't bother about this. I'll go to this now. Click on it. Ready. All navigations will work properly. The cross highlighting, the slicing, everything. And also if you click on 18, drill through location, it's showing locations page automatically. No data available in that combination. You want to go back, single click is sufficient to go back. Single click is sufficient to go back. Like this, it will work. Even you want to reset everything, you can reset. There's a reset option. Everything reset to the initial state. Everything reset to the original import state. Fine, this is working. I want to share it. Yeah. First way, this is sharing. On-demand sharing. Yeah, Bhaskara, give me a minute. I'll close the session also. I'll address your question. Second one, this is scheduled sharing. Third one, here 3 ways available. 3, 4, 5. Here 6 and 7, 2 ways available. Total 7 ways sharing. First way, I will go to share. Click on this. Mention who you want to share. V_3003 something, some user. Send. So a report link will be sent to the user. Now when he clicks the email, he will see that. Second one, you can subscribe it. Click on this. Create a subscription. Subscription means scheduled delivery. Scheduled delivery. This is immediate delivery. Now scheduled delivery. You put a time. First format, PDF format, start date, end date. I'm taking a time. These many days. Daily 8:30 p.m. The report daily in these days 8:30 p.m. delivered. Save. Next one, some people know I don't want like this. I need PDF. Go to export PDF and export it. PowerPoint, yeah, PowerPoint, export it. Take Excel and export it. And file. This is the one QR code. You can generate a QR code and share with them. This is 60 way. So in the mobile level, tab level, they can scan and see. And file, embed report, SharePoint. SharePoint meaning this is the link you will get. That link you can place on the SharePoint portal. And you can go to website or portal. And here two links, first link, second link. And this first link is helpful to keep your report in .NET, Java, PHP, Python, Power Apps, these kind of application level showing. Second link is good in HTML application level Power BI report showing. Two ways. This is embedding. So how many ways available? 7 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So unless you come to cloud, you cannot share with the customer and they cannot access it. So I shared to the email, but email opening and browsing, that is a different story. But end to end, whatever I decided, successfully completed. Two files, Power BI desktop, 2 pages, data mode, cloud. This. I will share these files. I'll provide navigations, a proper document. So kindly implement today or tomorrow. Continue from Monday. And there are 2 demo classes I plan. There are 2 demo classes I plan. First demo, introduction part, and this second demo, recap of first one and a practice. Now coming to Power BI component wise explanation. Low level content I already shared in your WhatsApp level. We shared in the email level, low level. But high level component wise, end-to-end architecture I will explain 2 hours. Data extraction part 2 hours. Power query transformation part we just did for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but 8 to 10 hours. Power pivot and DAX part 15 hours. And Power View visualization 10 hours. Cloud operations 10 hours, 10 hours. And report builder page related reporting 2 hours. End-to-end a project practice 6 hours. And one more project practice 2 hours. Case study 6 hours. SQL server sessions 4 hours. Resume preparation interview guidance 2 hours. And also, so additional session, report server, Fabric, Power Apps, total 4 to 6 hours my colleagues will take. So this is the course content for the next 60 days so that you are highly suitable for any kind of opportunity in the market. Once you learn this, you are good enough to try for any opportunity in the market. So I'm done with the demo class, guys. Now ask your questions.